YouTube, this is Cleveland Carson. Welcome back to another day in the life of a pressure washer. I hope you guys have been doing well. I've been super busy and it has been super pretty. As you can see, the sun is out. You can see it on my face probably. Got the sunglasses and I've got sunscreen on now because it's now, you know, warm in Georgia. We're having 75, 80 degree weather. But anyway, we got a normal house wash to do and I'm pretty confident that I can upsell the driveway on it because I know he's a little bit interested because he's selling his house. So we're gonna go to that. It's a nice easy one job today. We've had some jobs this week. We've done really well this week, but not as busy as that last week. The $1,000 in 2 days, though, I was freaking slam packed. I'm still very busy, but not as busy as that. So still rocking and rolling, still hammering in the washing. You guys better be washing right now. But yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some gas. We're gonna go to the chemical shop first. I'm gonna stock up on SH, and I'm into a really pretty neighborhood in my area near that church I just did. And guys, we are rocking and rolling. If you guys need some mentorship this year, I do have the pressure washing masterclass. That's where I offer my full mentorship for pressure washing, house washing, all the stuff that I do, and I'm able to charge, $500, $600, $400 for it, sometimes over thousands. And I'll teach you the skills to do that. Right now we're at 19 members. I had a ton of people join last week. I think we had almost 5 people join last week in like 2 or 3 days. It's been awesome. So those guys have been loving it. We've had tons of discussions there. You got the Canva templates, you get all the before and after pictures, and I make sure that you guys are going to succeed. So I'll hold everyone accountable. So that's been going amazing so far. If you want a free trial with that, you can find it in the description, the link below. And you guys, you can get a 7-day free trial. Check to see if you like it. But yeah, anyways, guys, let's go get some chemical. I'll see if I can film there a little bit. But yeah, we just got a nice easy job. It's gonna be a nice chillax video today. So yeah, let's go. Check that out, guys. Whoa, that's some crazy black mold. It almost looks like, I don't even know if it's mildew. I think it's black mold. Yeah, we'll get that out. Now we just soaped that side over there, and now we're doing this back side, which is the worst side. They really are only concerned about two spots. So nice easy house wash day. I got this job from a yard sign from the job that I did last week when I put it on the intersection. If you guys didn't watch that video, you guys are gonna go watch that video. But yeah, just normal house washing procedure. I'm gonna keep dropping tips for you guys. You guys stay tuned. Been about a minute maybe, and this is the reaction we're getting right here. We can see the root of it. The problem is with this house, it's so oxidized. You can see the streaks right here that I'm not going to be able to use pretty much any pressure whatsoever. I'm just gonna have to fan it backwards because you guys know about the chalk test here. I can show you here. It's a little loud. Touch my hand. I mean, it's not bad on this side, but on this side it's really bad. You can just tell by looking at it, it's oxidized. So I gotta be very careful of not putting too much pressure on that, but that's a really good reaction. I mean, that's like night and day difference. It's only been 2 minutes. So hopefully it clears up. If not, we might have to use like a towel, but it's extremely oxidized, so I have to be very careful. But yeah, look at the gutters, turned out really well. It's not even, I haven't even rinsed it off yet. It's going really good so far, guys. I had an injector blowout, so make sure you always have separate injectors because that will happen. I had to replace the injector, like a 10 minute delay really, so it sucks, but it's what we gotta do, guys. Alrighty guys, that is a wrap on the project, the only project of the day. I'll be back next week to do the little bit of flat work for him. Unfortunately, I do need a new surface cleaner before I do that, so I told him I can get a new one in a week. So I'll have to make sure to get a new surface cleaner, and yeah, that was a good job. Unfortunately, I didn't film a lot. I really do apologize. There was like 5 contractors there, and the people were in and out. Like the people were in and out taking the kids away, and gosh, I had to dodge so much stuff. It took like an extra 30 minutes. Also, my downstream injector broke. You guys ever think you don't need multiples of things? You're lying. You need a multi. Luckily I had a spare downstream injector ready to go, and I only had to cut my machine off and fix it, and it took 2 seconds. But yeah, all good. I didn't get any pictures of that black mold, but it did come off very easily. That's when the guys were in the back doing stuff. I wasn't gonna bother them. So, but yeah, that black mold's gone. All the soffits look really good. Turned out great. He paid me with Zelle, and I love getting paid in Zelle. But yeah, you guys better be watching. guys? Sorry I haven't talked in a while. There's been people here, there's people walking in and out. Contractors here mowing the grass, making my allergies go crazy. But as you saw, we just did the roof, blow out the gutters. Now we're doing a house wash right here. Then we're gonna go in the back and tidy up that back patio area that I could show you later. But I might need to X-shed it. I might be able to downstream it. If not, I'll X-shed it. But I'll let that sit on the roof for a little bit. Come back to see if there's any spots, just X-shed it, and they turn out super perfectly, especially on that walkable roof. The roof is literally flat. So a lot of people say that you can't X-shed roofs. I only do walkable roofs, and if I can, then I might be able to hit it from the ladder. If I can't, then I can't do it. You know, I know my limits for right now. So for right now, we're gonna continue to X-shed. But yeah, roof washing is a lot of money, guys. Highly recommend doing it. Same with gutter cleaning. But yeah, we got a house wash to do. Sorry about that first video. I was gonna make that first video one, but then, you know, that was too short, and plus I got this other job now, so we'll just film here, drop some nuggets of information. Stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of work to do. How's it going, everyone? This is post-edit Carson. So this job went really well, but it was a complete disaster in multiple regards. I had to move my trailer a little bit after this. They were like, hey, come move your trailer, which I already asked them if I could put my trailer there, and they're like, oh yeah, that's fine. But then of course they had to change their mind and they needed to get out, so I was like, okay, whatever. So I moved my trailer, popped my 125 foot of hose, which is no biggie. I have backups. But when I went to move back, here's the problem. I tried to get the slack out of the garden hose or whatever, and it got caught on my wheel, and it ripped my unloader off the pressure washer, and it is out of commission for right now. So right now it's Friday. This was filmed on Friday. The shop opens Monday, so that's when I'm going to be doing Monday. I'm going to be spending time do that Monday and Tuesday. I'm also getting my truck wrapped, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm out of commission for a while, but yeah, as things happen, it's my fault at the end of the day. I'm not too upset about it, but I just have to have some forced time off, I guess. Yeah, future Carson will continue this video. Well, guys, it's been about 5 days since I last talked to you. I last did that voiceover, but yeah, I ripped the unloader off my pressure washer. I had to get my hose popped. I had to get a bunch of stuff replaced. I still am getting stuff replaced to this day, 5 days later. It's very annoying. Everything just decided to break all at one time. By the time that I wasn't working, I got call after call. You know, we got stuff scheduled, so we got a lot of videos coming, and a commercial bid for an HOA pool house. That's gonna be fun. I'll show some pictures of what that looks like. Definitely gonna get that job. And yeah, so a little short video for you guys. I apologize. We're having some hiccups, but it is what it is. While I was gone though, I was able to do a lot of program stuff, and my boy Matthew got his first job. I'll show what that looks like. And then I had some other people saying they already got 6 jobs and everything. People are succeeding in the pressure washing masterclass, and I'm trying to make sure that everyone succeeds in some sort of way, and that's kind of my goal for that. So yeah, if you guys need some mentorship, check that out. Check out Markate. And this has been Cleveland Carson, guys. Stuff happens, guys. You know, eventually I'll be able to get everything back on the road and we'll be smooth sailing. I need to get hoses. I need to get new supply lines. I got to make sure my machine is good, which it should be. I got to make sure these jobs, I had to push back jobs, but it is what it is. We'll get rocking and rolling. But yeah, this has been Carson. I'm out.